Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that describes something that's difficult or burdensome, onerous. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is onerous. Let's break it down. First, we have O, which sounds like the O in go. Next is nur, which sounds like the nur in nurse. Finally, us sounds just like the us in bus. Now let's put it all together. Onerous. Try repeating after me, onerous. Now a little faster, onerous. And at full speed, onerous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Onerous refers to something that is burdensome, troublesome, or requires a lot of effort, often in a way that feels unpleasant or overwhelming. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce onerous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.